But how can a shower walk make you happy?
That shower is a dirty thing that stands on the road for them to be priced. Mama, if you hate 10 hours, you let them go 10 hours.
I do not ever want to see Liz in this compound.
Light and darkness have nothing in common. This girl is a stripper. She's a whore. I can't stand losing Mike, and you know it.
Oh, you will not lose him. That is why we are going on 21 days fasting and prayer.
Put her for my body water.
I will put her for your body water with my son.
I want to spend the night here.
You can't be getting married and you've not met my best friend.
My bestie na ain't go kill there. If you can move in a day, ina piaka, ina pita something.
You call me your bestie, yet you went behind me to stab me up, yeah?
What is cooking? That is cooking.
Bring home a dwarf man. I will accept him as a son-in-law.
Is it our fault that men are not coming to us?
Where we strip, this is what they call air condition. When you open it, the air condition blows the planet and it works well. You roll on it. Yeah! My next strip brutality. I will keep stripping for Jesus.
Michael Konko is the man Lizzie wants to get married to.
If you claim you know her very well, then you should have her number.
Not be a number.
And I am not going to go berserk just because I am in love with you.
How can you be this rich, yet you remain unmarried?
What is going on?
I am talking about your prostitution business.
Excuse me.
You have milked the juice out of her. I just broke my fast this morning because I knew he was going to come. You need to eat for Jesus.
When are you coming to see my people then?